Tom, and today I'm at one of my favorite airports in the world, Newark Liberty International Airport. And why is it my favorite? Well, most of all, because of the amazing view. You can see Manhattan from the plane and from the runway, and Manhattan just happens to be my favorite place on earth. So any place where you can see my favorite place is my favorite airport. Make sense? There's another reason, and that is the Liberty International Airport AirTrain. The AirTrain has been the primary way to get around Newark Liberty International Airport since 1996, when the system opened as a circulator. It's not hard to find. There are stickers on the floor, and every sign leads to the AirTrain. And once you reach the station, there's this big neon sign. Their AirTrain here. In 2000, the system was extended to the train station on the Amtrak and New Jersey Transit networks. And while the system is free, the only exception to that is if you're going to take the train after the airport. Then you have to pay an extra $5 for your ride on the AirTrain. And now we're at the platform. The interesting thing about Liberty International Airport's AirTrain is that it's not a regular train or a people mover, it is actually a straddle beam monorail. And these aren't very common in the United States. These trains have been running around since 1996. There used to be 12 of them, and now there are 18 sets running through the airport. I'm here at the AirTrain platform. I thought I was about to get busted for taking a video, but it was just the lady telling me that the escalator is broken and I needed to take the stairs. Now, because my compartment was very crowded this time, I couldn't get many good shots of the interior of the monorail. However, please enjoy the views of the airport. Each capsule of the monorail is completely separate from the other. There's no gangway to walk in between, and you're staring at a wall. There's no drivers either, so your views at the front or the back are spectacular, especially if you catch a glimpse of Manhattan. Platform doors are always a favorite of mine and a standard feature both for driverless trains and airport transit. Now, the AirTrain is scheduled to be replaced. The monorails are 25 years old, and the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, which runs the system, has decided that these trains are too much of a liability. So the entire system is scheduled to be replaced sometime in the next years. Thanks for watching this video today. For more cool content like this, please subscribe to Trains Are Awesome. See you next time.